In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass send customized emails in Outlook. We'll use a simple Excel or CSV list as our contact source, build the email in Microsoft Word, and send it through Outlook so each person receives a personalized message without seeing other recipients. Start by preparing your data. In Excel or a CSV, create clear column headers like email, first name, and company, plus any other details you want to personalize. Put one contact per row, and make sure the email column contains valid addresses. Keep the first row strictly for headers so Word can recognize the field names. When you're done, save the file and close it before moving on. Now open Microsoft Word. Go to the Mailings tab, choose Start Mail Merge, and select Email Messages. This sets your document up as the body of the email you're going to send. You can write your message directly in Word, just like any normal email. Next, link your contact list. In the Mailings tab, click Select Recipients and choose Use an existing list. Browse to your Excel or CSV file, select it, and confirm the sheet or table containing your contacts. You should now be ready to insert personalized fields anywhere in your message. Draft your email's content in Word. When you want to personalize, place your cursor at the exact spot and click Insert Merge field. Pick the field you need, such as first name or company. You'll see a placeholder appear when the email is sent. That placeholder will be replaced with the actual value from your list. Keep your tone friendly and clear, and make sure the email reads well even with the fields filled in. If you plan to use formatting, links, or a simple signature, that's fine, just remember to choose HTML later. When your message looks good, go to Finish Merge and select Send Email Messages. A dialog will appear. For the To box, choose the column that contains your recipient's email addresses, usually the one labeled Email. Enter a concise subject line that clearly reflects your message. Then pick the mail format, HTML if you want formatting, and links, or plain text for the simplest delivery. Click OK to send. Word will pass each personalized email to Outlook. You'll see them queue in Outlook's outbox and then send individually. Each recipient receives their own customized copy, and their information remains private. That's it, fast, professional, and personal every time. Thanks for watching.